S58 motor in my G82 M4 is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to performance. But there's one thing I think it lacks. Guys, honestly, it's not the prettiest. And it also needs a single turbo, but we're gonna get to that in another episode. But today, we're gonna install two key mods that are gonna elevate the look of my S58 motor by installing some new hardware from Faster & Fittings and a new strut brace from CPM Chassis Tuning. Stay tuned, guys, let's get started. Of the game today is all about bling, and if it's one thing that we do very well here at MGG is to make sure that we're as stylish as possible, and not only making sure that we're stylish but also our cars represent us as well. As I mentioned, we are going to be installing Faster & Fittings. If you guys have not heard of them, they are the premium source for engine dress-up hardware kits. Now, they make a variety of hardware kits for all types of vehicles, not just BMW, and today we're going to be showcasing their titanium dress-up kit for the S58 motor. Now let's face it, guys, there's a lot of hardware kits on the market, but this is going to not only look good but also stand up to the elements. The S58 motor gets really hot, and it does have a lot of contact with a lot of debris while you're driving. And if you're going to choose a hardware kit, you want to make sure you have something that not only looks good but also lasts. Now this is full grade 5 titanium. The bolts and the washers and the nuts are all coated. This one is their gold colorway, but they also have several different colorways that you can choose from. I opted to go with this because it's going to be a nice accent piece, especially compared to the stock silver aluminum nuts and bolts. It just doesn't look as appealing, and I think this is going to be what's going to set this car off as a nice accent piece, in addition to our CPM chassis brace. Now, unlike other competitors on the market, these just aren't a bunch of colored washers with bolts. This is all titanium hardware, as you guys can see. Really amazing finish. I'm going to open the packet in a second just so you guys can see it. The one thing I really love about Faster & Fittings is they have all of their hardware labeled, and also it comes with instructions. Now these bolts are going to replace all of the radiator support bolts in the front, as well as your strut mount. Now the install on this is going to be pretty straightforward, but while we're there, why not change something else in the engine? Guys, take a look at my new strut brace. Here we have our beautiful strut brace that we're going to be installing today, and this, as I mentioned, is from our good friends over at CPM Chassis Tuning. Now, if you aren't familiar with the brand, CPM is a Japanese manufacturer producing high quality chassis improvement components that not only fit BMWs but a variety of other makes and models. Now, specifically for our install, we're going to be installing their strut brace for the S58 motor. Now, this is going to fit the G87 M2, G80 M3, G82 and G83 M4. Now, the strut brace not only looks unique, but it's also very, very functional as well. This is a multi-piece forged aluminum construction consisting of 6 different pieces that all connect together using titanium hardware. One thing I must say, when it comes to quality and finish, they have really taken their time to make sure that the milling and everything in between is really top-notch. I'm really impressed with the overall design, and I know with them having the additional milling cuts, it's going to also save weight compared to our OEM strut brace. Now, the included titanium hardware is used to connect the multi-piece design. In addition to that, if you don't have upgraded hardware kits, you can reuse your OEM strut bolts. But because we do have the upgraded kit, we are going to be replacing those bolts with the new Faster & Fitting bolts. So now that you've seen everything that we're going to be installing today, let's go ahead and get started and remove our strut pieces. guys can see, the strut brace is removed. While we're there, we're going to go ahead and remove the engine cover as well, because we have something that we want to add to it that I think is going to look pretty unique. Okay, now that we have the strut brace and engine cover removed, we're going to go ahead and now install the new hardware kit. Now, as I mentioned, it is going to replace all of the silver aluminum hardware that you see along the engine, in the front, and also the strut mounting bolts. Now, Faster in Fittings does pay attention to details, so it does include a very well laid out installation guide along with all of the numbered bolts that you're going to be needing. As you guys can see right here, everything is individually packaged and numbered, so it makes the installation process very, very straightforward.
final piece of the engine transformation with the CPM strut brace. Now, I just want to highlight a few key notes before we get this installed onto the car. So there's going to be multiple pieces of this brace. The only thing that you guys would have to take note of is the top braces are side specific. So if you guys look on the passenger side, it does have a little bit of an angle on the inside right about here. So you just know that this one goes on the passenger side and then the other angle goes on the driver's side. And then from there, we will be assembling this loosely. That way we can transport it onto the car. We'll just connect it like so, and then we'll use the included screws and just get them connected. And then I will go ahead and repeat that step for the front brace, and then we'll get this entire setup transferred over to the car.
And there you guys have it. Our engine overhaul is finally complete. Really impressed with how everything turned out. The install was a breeze. The quality, fit, and finish of everything, absolutely amazing. I'm really impressed with how both Fast Turn Fittings and CPM Chassis Tuning have designed their products to just work, not only look good, but also function amazing. Now, I think what's most impressive to me just looking at the engine is that these products are just really simple bolt-on parts. But when you really take time to look at it, it's just really two key pieces, the hardware kit and the strut brace. And I think the overall package really makes the engine bay come alive. And that's why I would recommend you guys to check it out. If you are interested in getting these products, we will have everything linked below. Make sure you check out Motor Gear Garage for all of your BMW parts and accessories. Guys, the build is coming on quite amazing. We've really put a lot of time and effort into this, and just being able to see the car come alive over the last few days as we're going into finalizing this project, I'm really happy with how the project has been coming along, and I hope you guys watching the progress have enjoyed it as well. Now listen up, we've covered the interior, we've covered the exterior, we've covered engine mods. The only thing left for this project to be finally complete is to add on our new wheel setup from BBS. Now, I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys have been enjoying all of the progress that we've been making on this build. Seeing it from start to finish with all of the hours and work that we've put in, I really hope that everyone appreciates what we've been doing. This is our own take on what a true MGG G82 spec should be. We're really happy with the results so far. Make sure you tune in for everything that's to come. The next episode is going to be the final reveal, and we're really happy to share with you all. So as usual, leave some comments down below, like, share, and subscribe. Tune in for more geared up content. We're gone.